Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. For HBAR, it looks like it's currently following the wave count here nicely. My assumption is still that we have a bearish setup here, that we will ideally look for another low. I talked in previous videos about the 4-cent region as an ideal target. We had a bit of a rally to the upside here recently. I told you that this is most likely just a corrective rally, possibly in a wave 2, which proved to be correct, I think, here as an ABC, because it reacted quite nicely. That was a nice short setup here. Talked about this descending trend line. We reacted to it in quite a bearish way twice, by the way, and now we are coming down, and I think we are now in this third wave in yellow. That's how I see it at the moment. Should, however, we break above the 0.067 level, then this particular scenario will get invalidated. It doesn't then mean that we are suddenly bullish. I think all I'd be doing, I'd be looking for an extended wave 2 here until, and that is the key level, until we break above the 7-cent level. The problem is, even if we break above the 7-cent level, it doesn't suddenly make a bullish setup. But the 7-cent level is the 78.6% FIB level. Just to highlight that again, if we break above that, it will make it unlikely that this is still a yellow wave 2. So I might have to go then to the higher level wave count, have to find a way to bring that wave 2 over here. Come on. That wave 2, right? So at the moment, this is not a bullish setup for me. I'm rather focused to the downside at the moment. Again, a break above 7 cent would at least make me consider more bullish options, but for now there is no clear signal, and at the moment we are below that descending trend line anyway, so we are in a downtrend. You could even call that a descending triangle, which is currently being formed here. So we've got a pretty horizontal level of support here around the 5.6 cent mark, and we've got that descending trend line coming down. Here you can see that we're sort of heading into an apex soon. There's a bit more space, but then ultimately the chart needs to make a decision. You might even consider this here a triangle within the triangle, you could even say, or even some kind of a, I don't know, ascending wedge, which is also basically a bearish pattern, right? So I'd rather be looking here for a drop to the downside. But bear in mind, we're going to hit support here very soon at 5.9 cents, so it might very well be that we see some short-term upside. Then we've got the descending trend line in the way again. So let's see how we react to that. But again, without a move above 6.7 cents, I'm ultimately focused on the downside. And then even if we break above that, the 7-cent level will be the next key resistance level. And overall, I'm looking for a target down in the 4-cent area. Overall, here the count would be in blue from the high, which started at 8.5 cents. Here a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up. Then we are now in the wave 3 down in blue, and within that one we've got 5 waves as well. So that's sort of how I would like it to play out. No reason for me here to be long at the moment, no reason for me to be bullish short term. Long term might be a bit different, but again, it's one of these altcoins where unless we see here a bullish pattern, I'd rather be focused on the downside. We have not yet made a new low since the July low, which was at 5.5 cents. But you can see how far we have come down. That is never a bullish signal, these sort of 90%, 95% retracements, because otherwise we could have said, okay, I might be able to count that as a 1-2 setup as well, which would be the bullish interpretation. But the problem is we've basically done this 95% retracement, which takes a lot of the likelihood away that we are actually in a bullish breakout pattern. And then on top of that, we have here a leading diagonal, which is also not giving us a lot of confidence, because these diagonal patterns, that would be the bullish count, they often fail. They often fail. So I'd rather be looking for new lows here. I'm very honest with you. But if I see any signal that would change things, I will of course make you aware. Okay, and that's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.